velvety cheesecake filling meets nutty crunch of Good Day Wonderful's biscuits for unique cheesecake shots. Hello my lovely foodies, my name is Kanak and in today's Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes, I'm going to show you how to prepare Wonderful's cheesecake shots and that too eggless, as eggless desserts are loved by almost everyone. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, for this we have to make the cheesecake base first. For that I'm going to take a bowl and in this I'm going to crush a few Wonderful's cookies. So here I've taken a few Wonderful cookies. You can see I've already crushed them. I'm going to put this in a bowl and to this I'm going to add some melted butter. Just mix it nicely so that it comes to a consistency of a wet sand. So today I'm using some salted butter, but if you want you can also use some unsalted butter here. Mix it really well. So next we are going to transfer this in small shot glasses. So I'm going to put this biscuit mixture at the base. So guys, usually the cheesecake is prepared with any crunchy base, but today I'll be using this Good Day Wonderful's because it adds to that perfect crunchy at the base, and on top we'll be using some velvety and smooth cheesecake filling for that perfect divine taste. So make sure you pack the mixture nicely with the help of a spoon or spatula so that it forms a thick base at the end. You can see how I'm doing, just like this. So all the 4 shot glasses are ready with the base. I'm going to keep this aside and then prepare our cheesecake filling. So for the yummy cheesecake filling, first up in a bowl I'm going to take some cream cheese. So here goes in the cream cheese first. Next to this I'm going to add some sweetened condensed milk. Next I'm adding some vanilla essence and a very little lemon juice to it. Lemon juice will basically give that perfect taste to the cheesecake as we are not baking it. So today I'm using some lemon juice, and if you want to make it more lemony then you can add some lemon zest also to it. So we are going to whisk everything really well. So it's well combined now, and guys, I just want to give you the chunkiest tip of the day. It's here I've used some cream cheese, but in case if you don't want to use cream cheese and if you're a little calorie conscious, you can also use some hung yogurt over here. So to this I'm going to mix in the whipped cream. So simply fold the whipped cream into this mixture with light hands. So you can see this smooth, creamy and velvety cheesecake filling is ready. I'm going to transfer this into a piping bag and then fill our shot glasses. So I'm using this glass. I'm going to place the piping bag in this and just transfer the cheesecake filling into this. So I've filled this piping bag with the nice cheesecake filling. I'm going to just snip off the end with the help of a scissor. And then I'm going to transfer this into the shot glasses. So I'm going to make a thick layer on top of this base. You can see how yummy it's looking. I'm simply loving the smell of that cheesecake with that lemon in it. And just tap it slightly on the kitchen platform to smoothen the top. And then finally I'm going to garnish it with a leaf of basil. You can also use a mint leaf, it's just for garnishing, and just a small chunk of Good Day Wonderful's. So this needs to go into the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours or until set enough. So now it's set and ready, as you can see. So if you enjoyed watching this recipe today, then do like, share and subscribe for more such festivities from Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'll see you soon in my next recipe. Bye bye.